Welcome to Q&A, Social Security Disability Today. This program is brought to you by the Reeves Law Firm, representing you and your Social Security and disability needs. If you have a problem or questions regarding Social Security and disability, call attorney Anthony Reeves. Is your host, attorney Anthony Reeves.
Okay, people, I've seen this too. What can my doctor tell Social Security Administration? And let me tell you where this comes up. Because in your mind, when you go to your doctor, you're thinking, this is a confidential patient-doctor relationship. I should be able to share with them anything about my situation and keep on trucking. But the reality is that if something that's going on in your life relates to your health, they're going to document it for a variety of reasons. One, so that they can keep track of what's going on with your condition for purposes of giving you proper diagnosis. Two, if you go to someone else so that they can see what kind of medical history you have. And three, if you have to go to the hospital or some emergent care, people know the nature of your circumstances. Now you would say to yourself, why should anybody care that I told my doctor that I went on a road trip to Costa Rica for my family? That shouldn't be anything relevant. That should be out of my doctor's notes. And they shouldn't say that to anybody anyway. You're missing the point. And this is one of the things that you need to understand. You ain't going to your doctor because he or she is your friend. Y'all ain't hanging out at the club or anything like that. You're going to the doctor because you're going for medical treatment, and in the course of the treatment, the doctor is trying to make sure that they have a complete understanding of what's going on in your daily activities. Because a lot of times what you do in your daily activities lets them know about certain things related to your condition. I have high blood pressure. My doctor knows that I work as an attorney, so I'm in a high stress position. So he always is mindful of asking me, how's the job going? You know, are you going on vacation? Are you doing trips? He's going to put notes like that in his file because that's going to let him know what's going on in my life. So guess what? If my stress level is going up and my blood pressure is going up and he's noticing that I haven't been on a vacation according to his notes in a year or two, guess what? That might be something he mentions. You might want to take a break from work for a while because you've been going nonstop. I don't want you to go in there and think to yourself that just because you talk to your doctor that they are limited in what they can share about your case. Remember, the medical records that they have on you is the Bible. That's what they're relying upon. If you tell it to them and they put it in there, so be it. You can ask your doctor not to put it there, but the reality is that a lot of times they're getting information because these daily activities tell them a lot about you. But I know some of you may worry that because they put it in there that it may burn you in the long run. Unfortunately, that's just the nature of the beast. You just need to know that the information that you provide to your doctor may come out eventually later in your file. So don't try to be slick and think that you can work around and keep that stuff on the low. What do you tell your doctor? A very good chance it's going to find its way into your medical records. And unless there's a state-specific regulation, nothing that they can withhold from putting in your medical records just because you're trying to keep somebody else from knowing about it.